Well, good morning. All right, here we go. This is number 131 of 365. It's called It's Raining. It's Pouring. I start at 5. Ow! Ow! It's okay, I'm okay. Ow, okay. Hi. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I hope that you're doing well, and I hope that wherever you are is doing good for you. It's me. It's this guy. It's Paul Carpenter. This is number 131 of 365, and this is called It's Raining. It's Pouring. The old man is snoring, which makes me wonder, does that mean that when it rains, God is not thinking about us? But isn't rain something that's, good for the earth? That, cleanses stuff and, takes away all the toxic crap that the humans put onto it. So, does that mean that when you're sleeping, you're actually awake? And when you're awake, you're actually sleeping? I don't know, things that make you think about things that make you go, he's definitely on drugs. But not me. I'm just talking about in general, because people would be like, how else do you have thoughts like these? I wake up like this, folks. Give me a little coffee and a little bit of pot, and before you know it, what were we talking about again? Right. It's raining. It's pouring. I know, to get really, for real on this whole subject, it's it was kind of a continuation of yesterday when something hits you and you're like, yo, I definitely know, and this is what it is, and you start pushing towards it, and then all of a sudden it just becomes this avalanche. And I was explaining, I truly believe that when you're working in the right direction, when you're doing the right thing, it just starts to flow for you. It just starts to happen. Things start to work out, and it starts to become this beautiful thing. And I think that if you truly flow with that, you can find something. If you find something inside of you and you're like, oh, I really like this idea, or I really like this thing, and you just start to kind of chase after it, if it's meant to be, it will flow ever so beautifully, openly in front of you, and it'll just become this awesome thing that you get to do. So, with that, my friends, please go out into the world, do something nice for somebody else. If you can't, do something nice for yourself. Number 2, please don't get caught up in all the crazy things. And number 3, if you would not mind, please like, share, subscribe, hit the like button, share button, and all that other good stuff. Go to my Patreon if you want, or my Cash App if you'd like, or watch these on YouTube. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me. Let's take a moment, please, to just take a moment. Be happy. Be filled with love. Know that you're going to share that with everybody today. And with that, my friends, I love you all, and I'll see you all on the other side.